Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are here for the very first time. Tisai here. So happy to have you guys joining me once again. Okay, for this video I'm going to do just a very quick review of Sacha Cosmetics' newest product on the market. It's called Liquid Velvet Face Canvas, and this is how it came. It wasn't in a box or anything. I purchased it at Pennywise Cosmetics. I'm not sure if they have right now because the last update I saw is that they said it was sold out, so I don't know. Anyway, so this liquid face velvet, Sacha Cosmetics claims, and this is just directly from their website, this product is suitable for all skin types. It's lightweight, has a velvety feel, prevents foundation from settling into fine lines and pores, has blurring properties. It's compatible with all foundations, can be worn under foundation or alone, controls oils, and keeps you matte. Alright, so I have used this product before. Oh, don't mind me guys. It is so hot. I use this product so I can test it and really see if it works well for me, because my skin is combination skin, normal to oily, and I wanted to see if, you know, if it will give my foundation a better look. I left the foundation on for a couple hours just to see how it looks after the foundation oxidizes and all of that. But let's test it out now. Now, it didn't look bad yesterday. It still looked nice and everything. So it comes with a pump, which I appreciate. And in my opinion, I think you don't need any more than just one pump of this product. So I tend to get oily around my T-zone area. So I'll put most of the product there and just massage it into the skin. And to the touch, it is very soft. It really does have a velvety feel, and it absorbs into the skin pretty quickly, in my opinion. The unfortunate thing about this exercise right now is I am sweating so profusely. Right? So let me just put a little more because I guess I will see after I put on the foundation if it does minimize my pores a little bit. Okay, Sacha also made a mattifying primer which I've never used. So I really wish that I was able to compare the both of them. I do not know why I feel like that product will work better for my skin type. But so far, not bad. Like I said, I used it yesterday and I was pretty satisfied enough. I mean, I paid $60 for this. They say it's the introductory price, so I do not know if they intend for it to go up. I guess they'll see how people feel about it first, and then they'll decide if they're going to raise the price or leave it at $60 or even drop it based on what people say. I'm going to apply some foundation, and today I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me matte and poreless foundation, and this is in the color Cappuccino. So let's see how it goes with this foundation. Y'all, if you're hearing my neighbors, just excuse that. I do not know what's happening, if that's a movie or if they're having some fun over there. Right, apparently it wasn't filming and I thought it was. My bad. I really need to pay attention to these things. So all I've done is just apply my concealer, which is for today I use Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer. I think it's in the number 12. And I applied, just to set it, Sacha's Buttercup Setting Powder. And I had this whole long speech about the Buttercup being popular back in the day, and I didn't get none of that. Let me come back with a finished face and we'll just talk about my final thoughts on the Sacha primer. Hey guys, I'm back with my completed face. Was on everything except I didn't contour and all of that. I just put on a little bit of blush, some eyeshadow, and I wanted to try out these lashes that I just purchased. I ordered them from Amazon, and that would be my go-to going forward for lashes. All right, it's going to be Amazon.com. I said what I said. Anyway, behave myself. Final thoughts. So far using this liquid velvet primer, I would say it is suitable for all skin types. However, if I were to compare, I would still say it would work better for persons with very dry skin. It is working for me, yes, but let me just insert this clip. This is me at around maybe 6 or 7 hours after first applying it, and it doesn't look bad, and that is with no touch-up or anything like that. That's just pat off some of the oil, and this is what it looks like. I do like it. I do like it, so I will continue to use it and see how it goes. It did prevent my foundation from going into my pores, so it does get a blurring properties. And I guess it goes hand in hand with the, you know, settling into pores business. Well, I did use Maybelline. I did not use a Sacha foundation, and it did work well with it. Controls, oils, and keeps you matte. It's doing that now because I just applied it. But because my skin is very oily after some time, I don't think it will not prevent me from looking oily, and I think I will still have to touch up as the hours go by and stuff. But as it is now, yes, I'm very happy with what I'm seeing right now, right? For $60, it's not a bad buy. If you want to try it out, I will say yes, try it out, especially if you're doing this for the very first time, you know, getting into makeup, and you want to try a primer and see what all the hoopla is about. This is not a bad place to start. Well done, Sacha. I would still like to hear other person's reviews. I really hope that there's more, and that wraps up this video for today. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, give me a thumbs up or give me a share, and if you haven't subscribed, do that now. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.